Everyone, it's Jaden Daniels here, and today I want to show you how to make an email template that you can send to all your leads. Before I do, if you would, go ahead and just like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I do another training video or just another video. Listen, I like to do these because when I'm just a country boy. I want to let you know this. I'm just a country boy that started doing online marketing. I didn't know anything. But as they taught me, they said you learn it, you implement it, and then you teach it. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So listen, I just want you to learn how to do this because if you're in an internet marketing business, you need to be sending your leads an email when you get it. When you get the lead, you need to send them an email. Keep talking. But anyway, when you do that, they get to know and like and trust you. So it should be something about yourself in that email. And not just from your autoresponder. Yeah, I know you can put it in your autoresponder, but when it comes from your personal email, it seems to make the person's like, okay, this is coming from their email. They ain't just sending from an autoresponder. And believe me, people can tell. So let's get started right away. I don't want this to make it too long. So let me share my screen. All right, let me get rid of this. There we go. Get rid of this. All right, so here's an email that I just made. So first of all, what you got to do, you got to go to settings. This little gearbox up here. Let me move me out the way. Okay, this little gearbox up here. Go to settings and go to see all settings. Go to advanced. And you see templates right here? We got to turn them on. Enable templates. Okay. Once you do that, you save changes. Okay, now we're going to go to compose. And it doesn't matter who you send it to. Listen, I'll send it to my wife. And the subject was going to be welcome. I don't know what business you're in, but I'm in Heal, so I'll put welcome to Heal if I can spell. All right. Sorry, I meant to turn my phone down. I've already got the email written. It's over here, so I'm just going to copy and paste the whole thing. And I'll put it in here. That's not the right one. Thank you. All right, here. Copy and paste. There it is. So what we're going to do now, go to these three dots at the bottom. I hope you can see this. Go to these three dots at the bottom. More options. Hit templates. Then save draft as a template. Save new template. And we're going to put the subject line in there. That's fine with me. So I'm just going to save it. So now I could send that, but let's just don't send it because she don't know what's coming. So let's do another one just to show you. Now we're going to put, say you got a lead, you just copy the lead's email address or you click on it. That's all you have to do. Just click on it and it'll compose a message. It'll start to compose a message like this. Okay, now we got the email address in there. So now let's go to the three dots again, more options. Go to templates and look, you see welcome to Heal. Once we click on that, the email address is in, the whole email is in there. So all you gotta do is hit send. And off it goes. So let me stop sharing my screen again. You see how easy that was? Now that email was an email I wrote and told them a little bit about myself, how long I've been online, how I struggled, because I did. I struggled when I first started online. Every shiny object caught my eye. I was this program. That's what I say in the email. I'll just be honest with them, that no, I'm not making millions of dollars. No, I'm not a six-figure earner yet, but I'm doing it. I am going to be there. And you just be honest with people because they're going to know, like, I trust you, and they're going to want to team up with you. That's what you got to do. So just like I'm doing this video, doing some training, because everybody needs to know how to do this, because I send the same email to all my leads. The reason why is because it tells a lot about me in that email, and it shows them how to connect with me on Facebook. I show them my picture so they can connect me. They know they're connected with the right Jaden Daniels. So that's what you need to do. You need to really just reach out to your leads and get them to know, like, and trust you. I keep saying that, but it's so important, so important. But anyway, I don't have much more for you today, but there's going to be more tutorials coming up. Everything I'm doing is because I've learned this from being a part of being a part of Heal. Heal is my business, and I love it. I really do love it. And you see, let me say this one thing. Doing videos was really scary for me. And the more I do them, the more comfortable I get. And sometimes when I'm just messing up with my tongue tied, just like a while ago, I keep doing that. Some videos I do it more than often, more than others. I just keep getting tongue tied. But it's like this. I'm human. I'm not trying to make this to be a professional video. I'm just trying to make it where if you learn something, then I'm grateful. And if you don't, then I need to work on what I'm doing. And that's all there is. I just want you to know that I'm here, even if you don't get my business, that's fine. But if you have any questions and want me to answer, I'll do it. I'm not, my business is all about family. My family is number one. That's the reason I'm doing this business. But also, I got a Heal family. And this Heal family is one of the greatest things that's happened to me, because you wouldn't believe how we just come together and help each other, and we get on the phone or text, or it's just Skype. It's just wonderful because we're just a family, and that's what it feels like. It don't feel like I'm just working with colleagues, or however you want to say it. Oh, that man at work, boy, it made me mad. It ain't like that. It's just these people are really genuine, and I'm glad to be on such a great team. But anyway, that's all I got for you today, and I hope you got some value out of this video. Like I said, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. All right, until next time, Jaden Daniels, and see you on the next video.